Mogi! Lovely Mogi!
Mogi! Okay, so there's a strat here that nobody does, but it's really easy to do. Literally just bag first set.
No, but you can't spam a bar to get into the cut, right?
Look at this, look at this.
Oh, stop
Oh, goodbye guys! Meow.
Yeah, but are you gonna go for double?
No
way you have balls like that.
Do you want me to go for double? I'll go with double.
I'll go for double.
Yeah, I failed it. Oh, so sad.
Yeah, I failed it too. We're cracked. You're mad.
Yeah, I'm very mad. I'm going for double.
I'm holding villain last.
I failed it again. I pulled a mega as well. I should not have done that. Go for double 3 for 3. If you have balls. Sus.
Oh.
Oh.
Quite sus.
Dodge me.
I'm using it. He's gonna dodge someone in cannon.
Yes.
Go Lunar Lens.
I'm going cotton plant.
No way. No way. No way. Yeah. Yep. Your video is demonetized and reported. GG's. Item.
You do this. You do this.
I didn't get a hop because I got bumped.
Like that-ish, I guess. You
I
do
didn't get a
that.
hop. No, but the respawn's so generous, so you're not even worried about it.
Oh yeah.
My teammates in top. Hey, make big cut. Freeze.
I suck.
Get a star.
Please.
Need
TC.
wall box.
I'm literally crying right now. The pass. I passed it. No way. Yes. Let's go. I mean, my teammate's kinda in. My teammate's kinda in first, and he said he wanted Complant. I asked him like last race when he was in first. He said bet. So I kinda just assume he wants it again. He just responded bet. Yeah. No, that was terrible. I tried to like bomb and cut.
Again. I'm such a noob.
Just my honest opinion.
I didn't block it. I just didn't block it. I'm such a noob, but he failed it.
I suck. I was literally gonna be in, I was gonna be in first with 2 shrooms. Like imagine. Teammate's off in last, so I know exactly where he's gonna use shock people's it.
Well, he won't pull it till super late.
Exactly. So like we kinda lose this race. I have
That's the one flaw of this
hunch.
track.
I'm the luckiest. Use it.
You're so
Activate! Please! Yes! I'm so good. I'm too good, dare I say.
This Snubbly guy's so bad. Right now.
I told you. I told you. Yeah. I didn't think you
I just made it. We're top.
I mean, it gets shock and chain at the next set.
What? No!
Yeah.
They used it like a set before. I lost my star and I got TS.
I see it,
Can I sing
Like, you
the
literally
lyrics
just
thing
get
as
a
well?
free run every race, don't we?
Bro, I'm just cracked. What do you mean every race? I'm on 19.
Is that what I'm missing? Being fat and taking 2 boxes and just running every race.
Exactly. No, you're missing the bit where you have to be British as well. Okay, so the strat here is you go backwards. Look at me. Oh, bro, I'm kind of cracked.
What?
Are you playing Melody Sanctum?
You go like.
Why would we ever play Melody Set? Okay, I just
Because
want to
like,
take
I
this
know,
back.
psychoplastering the OU. Watch the LOLcas video. Lucas. So for me to pull the shot, I
we don't go
swear.
for a box here, we're not noobs.
Yes, let's go
Wait, no,
teammate.
I can resize before the start, right?
Yeah.
No way. Go. Please.
What?
People fail it. Yes! I got 6 off that. I'm
Yes!
so dumb.
Easy! I got it! Copper replied to me. He
No,
just said, Nubbly!
Yes!
Bro, where you got Mike?
Cotton plant forest.
Yeah, that's this week's track.
I'm goldening in
like
third.
this?
Yeah, me and Sweet are
he's
Tom
got
calling
like,
this.
he's got like 30th worldwide on it.
No way. Oh, man,
Yeah.
Oh, you teammate.
Blue! Oh, I'm the unluckiest. I'm so
I watch
unlucky,
this.
man.
Roberto! Roberto has been great.
Why is Roberto so far behind in last?
Well, I may have gone backwards, bombed him, and then, Oh, we got Bill. I may have gone backwards, bombed him, and then build him. If Star comes,
Mega?
I'm so terrible. How do I almost... Okay, right.
I win. I win.
Nubbly.
Oh my god, I
Out of
win.
his Mega.
Nubbly chained a golden, dude.
No, I didn't chain a golden. I chained better.
Wobbly wobbly.
Delicious.
I chained a star. Ha 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 ha. So I don't
Wait,
get
no,
this
this
star
is so
pad out
good.
of me. Goodbye,
Wait,
guys.
This is so good.
What? Ah! I just hit the side.
Ding, ding.
Not only do you
ring,
have to
ding.
DC, but you pull a Mega.
I'm cracked.
So I'm about to make a lot of people
Everybody
mad.
fails apart from me. Let's go. Because I make shroom cut.
Oh, everyone's mad. Because I
My
don't get a wheelie.
No, my teammate nearly dodged. I thought he dodged and Bill.
Bomb attempt I've ever seen.
I know, right? What is this guy's net? So where even is my teammate?
Go off, Queen. Sorry, I'm on speakerphone right now, which is why my
Oh! Why? Why does he have reds? Well, they're like down 15 on you. No, 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 please, please.
No, play, no!
No! I'm getting lost! No! The penguin! I thought I could trick over the penguin!
Terrified, right? Yeah.
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 What was that trick? CTs, man. Just, I went on like the massive ramp, like
Yeah.
the-
I know what you mean.
Yeah, I went on like to the like obnoxious ramp. I went onto that to get like an item, and it just like said no. Come on, start, spam it.
Yeah, KK is mad. Fuck you, KK. That's for being laggy. Yeah, for being a laggy little prick.
Oh my god, I got fourth somehow. I'm actually Mogiing right now. No, wait, you can't see that. It's like...
Yeah, that's some bullshit on your track. Oh, thank you.
I didn't
You
know
guys are
that.
way more knowledgeable about CPUs than me.
Bro, I have
No,
no
this guy's
clue.
just gonna take something anyway.
I'm just very slow
Okay,
in
just told me.
CPUs. That's literally it. What? Okay, this track is so dumb. What? No way. I just went for an iron box and I'm off. That was so dumb.
I scored 100 and something.
Bro, I scored like 5.